凯比风台拄啊扫过菲律宾、台湾甲中国，造成正大的灾情。即马就有研究指出，因为气候变迁，伫东南亚的风台结成的所在是离陆地愈来愈近，而且变强的速度嘛有愈来愈紧，停留伫陆地时间嘛较久。学者表示，咱着爱加强基础设施，减少碳排放，才会当降低风台威胁。
水淹到胸坎遮尔悬，救援人员过树连船去救掉伫内面的民众。凯米风台顶礼拜侵袭菲律宾、台湾甲中国，风大雨透，造成真侪所在淹水，也有生命财产的损失。有一份联合科学研究报告指出，受到气候变迁的影响，东南亚风台形成的地点离陆地愈来愈远，而且增强的速度更加紧，伫咧陆地停留的时间也更加长。
The problems that we will encounter in the future is that these tropical cyclones will hit regions that have never had them before, so they are commonly going to be unprepared and they're going to have a lack of resilience.
这是参加报告的研究人员自19世纪到21世纪末期，分析64000外过去甲未来风暴的模型所得出的结论。研究结果也指出，气候变迁造成海水暖化，改变东南亚热带风暴行的路线，影响当地6亿5000多万的居民。有学者认为，这卖基础设施要全面加强。
Entire redesign of the city infrastructure in terms of power, in terms of water, in terms of roads, in terms of rail, and so on. So these are huge projects. So you can't expect that to be completed in a year or two. But this will have to be the strategy that needs to be taken to cater for these stronger storms in the years to come.
报告的第一作者鲁本大学地球加环境学院助理教授贾纳建议，应该采取行动减少碳排放，来降低风暴所带来影响。也管开始保护沿海地区，避免受到国家强烈热带气旋的影响。公司新闻郑伟林编写。